added egg to chocolate milk and you won't believe the result. In a pan, we'll add 5 boxes of chocolate milk and then 3 egg yolks. Next, add 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, mix well with the heat off, then stir until it starts to thicken. And check out this texture, folks. Next, we'll add 200 g of semi-sweet chocolate. Let's mix it all up again. After the chocolate melts, we'll transfer everything to a dish. Then add chocolate chips for decoration. If you don't want to or don't have any, that's fine. After that, just refrigerate until it's chilled. Look how incredible this chocolate mousse turns out, everyone. Super quick, easy, and delicious. And best of all, using only 4 ingredients. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Povo e na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks.